Okay, so this is the OG Desperate Housewife recipe. It's shepherd's pie, and oh man, is it quick to make. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350. You're gonna take a pan and you're gonna set it to about medium-high heat. Take your ground beef. I prefer 80-20, 90-10 is fine. Dump it in. Deliciousness. I love that sound. While this is browning, you're gonna take your McCormick brown gravy mix. Put it into about a cup of cold water. Why do we use cold water? So there's no clumps, honey. No clumps, no bumps. So now that my ground beef is actually browned, I'm gonna add the McCormick brown gravy mix. And my peas and carrots. Okay, so I'm gonna stir this up. While this is simmering, let me drop some knowledge on you. Shepherd's pie, Irish, old, delicious. The housewives used to use the leftover meat to make this dish. It was whatever they had on hand, so peas, carrots, potatoes, and meat. That's really all they had. So I'm gonna take the potatoes right now and make them less boring. Mashed potatoes, delicious. Boring mashed potatoes, not delicious. Okay. I'm gonna add some McCormick garlic, onion, and black pepper. Instant mashed potatoes are instantly awesome. But if you have time for Thanksgiving or whatever major holiday you're making a lot of mashed potatoes for, triple the recipe. So that way the garlic, the sage, the other McCormick spices are in there. Throw it in the freezer, and then whenever you wanna make this, your mashed potatoes are already done. Okay, this is bubbling, it's reduced a little bit. I'm gonna take my oven-safe casserole dish. I'm going to take the mixture of ground beef, peas, carrots, and McCormick gravy. Put it in there. Now, honestly, you could just eat this as is because it's cooked and delicious. But that would not be what shepherd's pie is. Okay, so you could make this look really pretty by piping it and doing the whole thing. But honestly, there's nothing wrong with just pressing it down and letting the flavor do the talking. Okay, so shepherd's pie is fast, delicious, and super easy to make. If you have 10 minutes, you have yourself dinner. So I'm gonna pop this into the oven for about 30 minutes, let it brown and bubble, then it'll be ready to eat. Look at how gorgeous this is. All right, take a little of your McCormick parsley flakes, sprinkle it on top just for color, grab a beer, and have a beautiful Irish night. Okay, you guys, I know your phone's in your hand. I want you to be inspired, stay organized, and get started on your next incredible recipe by downloading the Flavor Maker app. Scan bottles, put it in your digital spice rack. You can look at recipes, and basically, the world of food is in this little app right here.